Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of ATMs. ATMs, or automated teller machines, are essentially self-service banking kiosks that allow you to perform various financial transactions. The card reader is responsible for capturing your account information from the magnetic strip or chip on your debit or credit card. Your PIN serves as the gatekeeper to your account, kept safe through advanced encryption techniques. Once verified, the ATM presents you with a menu of transaction options, catering to a wide range of financial needs. Behind the scenes, the ATM establishes a secure connection with your bank's network, ensuring your financial data remains protected. ATMs employ sophisticated cash dispensing mechanisms, reinforced with physical security measures to protect your money. As technology advances, so do the security features of ATMs, constantly evolving to stay one step ahead of potential threats. Specialized machines like Bitcoin ATMs have emerged, allowing users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with ease. ATM networks enable seamless communication between different banks and financial institutions, ensuring you can access your funds anywhere. While convenient, it's important to be aware of potential fees and surcharges, especially when using machines outside of your bank's network. ATMs have truly revolutionized the way we manage our finances, becoming an indispensable part of our daily lives. Stay connected with us for more informative content on financial technology and beyond.